You got the thing running?
I got it running just now.
Turn that thing on, I'll let you show. Well, the goggles don't really matter. Because goggles can be, you can have whatever goggles. What does matter is this little bitty right here. That matters. And got a camera set up already on it. And put a little battery.
Pop the little battery in there.
In it, and it'll spring to life.
Pop it.
Oh, you spring to life, you. And I got the thing there. And do the up and down. And do the wiggle wiggle back here. It looks happy. It looks happy. And then, oh yeah, I can see. I'm gonna be able to see that. Yeah,
oh yeah.
Man. So, put this on the big head. Let's see what this turns into, because the goggles are nice, but they're not perfect. Alright now, hold on, baby. Well, I'm pressing up on this stick as much as it would possibly go. Now it finally went up.
You didn't put a dead battery in there, did you?
It's just weird sometimes. It's just weird sometimes. Down.
Over there.
Here it comes down. Oh!
Somewhere.
Alright, you know what? Maybe I'll recalibrate this thing. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Make somebody walk and go get something. You know we hate to do that. Let me move my foot out of the way. Direction I was facing. I see you now. Alright. This direction here. Let's see if that matters at all. Oh yeah. It's actually listening. I ain't going in that thing to go get it. I'll go in this one. Oh, damn, almost. Almost made it. I did get it. Oh, yeah. Almost made it. Well, not bad really for something that's been through the fire and the creek and good Lord, that poor little chopper. It's been so abused, it really has. Look to the right, please, Dice. There we go. I get panicky.
Where'd it go? Way up there. Somewhere. Oh no! Got dirt on the lens.
I suppose I could put my goggles back on right quick. Just for me to run in right into the sliding board.
No.
I did. I ran right into it.
I saw you drop something.
And I dropped. Yep. Did all that. It's spectacular. I just can't see very well over these. Like I need glasses on under here.
I've lost it. Somewhere over there. Look at the pretty playground. There it is. Why don't you go through those? Oh, look, you are. Back over this door.
I'm good. Time to come back to that hole. I'm not recording any of this. Oh, and that's it. My battery's
Battery's
done.
done. She coming back home. Yep.
That's how you end up with a flyaway, I guess. It takes. I don't know. It's not perfect, but it's wonderful. It's wonderful. I love this little thing. I love this little thing. I really do.
You've gotten your money's worth out of it. That's for sure.
Mine and somebody else's. I'm gonna tell you that. If these people that made this thing only knew. But I got 16 views on my video, so I don't know how they gonna find out.
All right, say bye.
Let it cool down a minute. We'll stick another battery in there.
Oh yeah.